Day 2.
Let's get it.
Bro, my fingers are like so dirty. I was like, Day 2, super excited. It's been raining, so the track's a little bit wet. It's probably been a lot of spin outs. Use a few less tires.
Yeah.
Dan would rather the drive, but
yeah, definitely. But
yeah,
and especially for the music video that we're going to be recording.
Oh man, today's the big day, the music video.
That's it.
Yeah.
We are make tracks.
Yeah.
Away if you want.
Did you listen to the music?
I haven't.
We still have no idea what music this guy plays. Like, could play like
Reggae.
Yeah, like
Rap.
folk music.
Yeah.
Or it could be like drill rap. Hopefully.
Yeah.
So that'd be
something
hilarious.
sick. Yeah. But yeah, you never know. It's alright. Getting some money to go towards the loan I had to take out for today. No shit.
Yeah, legit. Cool.
How's everyone's day yesterday? Ready here for the Jack Stand Award.
I see on 31.
Oh, it must be. Yeah.
Dude, that car's been on stands all day.
I was born for it, I was made for it. Working before I was paid for it. Ain't no finish line, I'm trying to race to it. I'ma run it after the tape torn. Can't be.
I was slipping yesterday, but I changed to the wind runs and they were just super slippery. But I thought it was like slipping, but it was just like, what's going on? But they were that slippery that it didn't actually even give me any like pull. Even when it was spinning, I was like, the clutch is just slipping, but it wasn't. And then I took time out. We like readjusted the clutch pedal, and yeah, it was just full sends and it was all fine and it wasn't doing it in drift. So that's why I was like, it can't be the clutch. You know what I mean? If it's holding through drift, it should be fine.
It's not the first time you thought it was gonna be slipping.
Just your tires.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
Blows the clutch like the first lap.
Don't say that.
Oh, you're happy with that stack over there? What?
That's ridiculous. Oh, we're gonna run these semi slicks because they're a little bit worn. They're originally on the front, but wear spot. So we're just gonna put them on the back because it's wet, and we'll get some laps out of them.
Let's get it. First lap's out. It's wet. We've chucked the semis on the rear. They were my fronts that I used last year, so the inner of the tyre is a little bit. It's quite warm, but it'll be fine in the wet. Hopefully it doesn't explode.
Every minute of the day.
It's so good.
It's very good.
See if we can get some tens in there.
trap artist that we've been talking about. We just rocked up. We're about to get him in the car, do some laps, film a video. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Can't wait. Can't wait. Thank you. How'd you go? Good man. Good man. That's good.
First time in a drift car, hasn't really been in very many powerful cars, so I think it was a bit of a shock to start, obviously. You know what it was like. I remember Dan's first time in the passenger seat on...
I was screaming.
Yeah. Trust me, it happens to everyone. Yeah, everyone, like, yeah, it's definitely good experience.
Attention groups, attention groups. Everyone station wearing a half-hour for that flagging officials.
This is actually hilarious. Hey bro, what's it like to be famous all across India?
Oh, it's happening, it's happening.
I never thought Team Scream would go to India, but here it is.
Here it is.
Less than 20 minutes time now, we will be doing a very brief lunch break. During that time, there will be an opportunity for large vehicles to come off the track.
Yeah, Scream Factory. But I'm not a rapper.
But I'm not a real rapper.
Done and dusted.
Oh,
filming done.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Till next time, man.
Good to see you, man.
It's lovely to meet you, man.
Thanks,
Till next time.
Nice to meet you too,
Till
man.
next time, man. I'll be looking out for the video.
Hopefully that's out soon.
Yeah, bro, hopefully.
For some millions, man.
Yeah, millions, man. Hell yeah. We're keen. India's next biggest thing, man.
Yeah, no, that'd be awesome. No, I really enjoyed today.
That's likewise, man.
Yeah, no, it was awesome.
I'd rather
Definitely slipping, but might as well have some fun with it. I think it's weird. It's like if I feather it, it like slips, but if I'm hard on it, it's fine.
Yeah, weird shit. That sucks though.
Yeah, it's annoying. Just gotta get it sorted before next round. Yep. Laps, how it go, and if it's just not having it, probably just call it, but
Yeah.
had heaps of fun.
Oh man, yeah, so much fun. You know, Erin's just been in Sarah's car, right? She's just gonna be comparing her the whole time. She's gonna be like, Sarah did it better. Sarah did it better. Wait, what happened?
Yeah, no, I tried to pull out and it was just, I was accelerating, it's just like revving and not grabbing.
Danskis.
Lucky I didn't go ham before old mate got here.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Dude, I can't believe that, eh?
Last prac night,
Yeah.
pretty sure that's when it
I
started.
remember you said, yeah.
But then I was like, oh no, it can't be, you know, like no clutch spill, no this. Yeah, it just seemed like, yeah, mate, it was the whole time. But
Clutch swap video pending.
coming
Yeah.
very soon. We got some events, we got some collabs coming up, like, needs to happen.
Yeah.
Needs to happen.
We'll get that
Dated
sorted.
Video and yeah,
Hell yeah.
days. He's got no handbrake, no clutch.
Just turn. Oh, is he missing a belt? Is that his belt on the floor?
Oh yes.
Your belt's on the floor!
If you need any drone work done for any motorsports, Matsuri man, Extreme Limits.
There we go. Holy. This thing is so rowdy for 500 horsepower. Holy fuck. And just like the noises of the dog box just sound so insane, eh? What is it? Is it speed test or something?
It's a G-Force.
Oh, G-Force. Yeah.
I don't know what A selection.
That was insane. For 500 horsepower, it feels like...
Did he squeal like a little girl?
Nah.
Nah, not this time. On the inside I was. It just cracked the whole casing.
Wait, just give us a rundown of the car. What do you reckon?
What do I reckon, or what's
Yeah.
about? What it's about?
No, like, what do you reckon?
Absolutely insane.
Yeah.
Like for 500 horsepower,
Yeah.
it just has so much torque and it's
Yeah.
gripped up.
Yeah.
Wires fab all round. Winter's quick change. G-force dog box.
It's hectic. Yeah. Supercharged LS2.
Yeah. It makes my car feel like a practice car.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. I can imagine. Yeah. Is it just revving through? The clutch is done. It's just revving. It's just revving and the car's not moving. Can only just fit, so.
Just. Oh, just like that. Another one bites the dust.
Yeah, that's it, mate.
Yep.
Can't win them all.
We conquered. We broke. We'll be back better than ever next time.
Yeah. Sounds like a complete weekend.
Yep. Yeah. No, we can't complain. At least we got some. Went through about 12 or 14 tyres out of 22, so it's a good weekend. Got heaps of content. Met some new people. Did a music video shoot. What can you ask for? What can you ask for? So thanks for having us, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see this video come out. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, this is gonna be a sick video.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Nah, awesome.
Scream Factory out.
Later, guys. See ya. Hey, Christian. What did you reckon about that, mate?
That was sick as